Hey guys, so today I'm heading to McDonald's because back when they came out with their Spicy BBQ Sandwich, they also came back with their Spicy BBQ Glazed tenders. I never really got the chance to try them, and since McRib just came out, I had a feeling that they were going to get rid of them, but from knowledge from Tyler, since he works at McDonald's, I know that they still serve them. So yeah, I'm going to head to McDonald's and I'll see you when I get there. So I just got to McDonald's. I kind of really didn't explain it before because I was kind of in a hurry. But it looks like I went around one time, kind of looked at the menu, and from what I could tell, they still have it. They also have like a Sprite Tropic Berry that you can only get at McDonald's. Apparently, that's what it says. You can only get it at McDonald's. So I don't know if I can get a meal, but I'm also gonna get the Sprite Tropic Berry with it. If I can get the meal, then I'll get fries with it. If I can't, and I have to get them separate, then I will actually I'll probably still get fries anyway because it's McDonald's fries. But yeah, I'm gonna go in the drive-thru, get my food, and I'll see you when I get home. Hey guys, so I'm back. Got my glazed tenders. So the McDonald's I went to isn't the McDonald's I usually go to. It was the nicer McDonald's I went to, and basically everything there is perfect. The guy at the drive-thru who took my order. He was just like the happiest, cheerful guy, and I could hear every single word and emphasis through the speaker. The speaker was like phenomenal, and their screen actually worked, and it was great. It was like the best service I ever got from McDonald's. So I'm really happy how that turned out. But I got one of his tenders. Gave me 2 sets of forks and knives. Guess some people like that since they don't want to get their fingers messy. But I got my Spicy BBQ Glazed tenders. I got the meal. So I got the tenders, the medium fry, and I did end up getting their Sprite Tropic Berry. So let's try this first. I refrain while driving to try this. Apparently you can only get this at McDonald's, so let's try this. Actually, that's really good. Oh, that's so good. Okay, and then I also got my ketchup from home because I didn't ask for ketchup. But let's open this box. There they are. Ooh, Spicy BBQ Glazed tenders. Excited. I'm not a big fan of barbecue sauce, but I only got the 4-piece. They asked for 4, 6, or 10. I was like, I'll just do the 4. Actually gave me 5. The sauce alone. Ooh. Okay, I might have to actually use a fork for this. They're pretty messy. I'll show you the box one more time. Pretty messy. Now they're pretty covered in barbecue sauce. Thankfully, I had breakfast like 10 a.m. and it's like 3:30 now, so I really didn't have much to eat today because I knew I was gonna do this video. Okay, let me get this box just so I'm not dripping everywhere. Okay. Okay, not feeling the spice just yet. Barbecue sauce, pretty good chicken. Not gonna lie. Kind of tastes like the chicken sandwiches without the bread and pickles and stuff. It's actually, I think, my first time having McDonald's chicken tenders as well. The chicken tenders are actually pretty good. Okay, I'm getting a little spice. They're not. So I talked to Tyler like maybe like 3-4 weeks ago, and he said they're really not that spicy. I agree. They're actually not that spicy. I can taste a little of the spice, but they're not that spicy. They might be spicy to some people, but not to me. Because I love spicy food. Pretty fucking good, man. That's probably like the best chicken I ever tasted from McDonald's. Those are so good. And if you guys know me, I'm not a big fan of barbecue sauce, but that right there is fucking amazing. Alright, I would go, it's like better than the McRib. Was McRib made of chicken? I don't know. I should have tried these sooner. Because I know, apparently they came back. Apparently McDonald's had them before. But I think only in select restaurants. I had trouble biting it. There's the inside, kind of ripped off the side. I had trouble biting it. This probably isn't the best item to have on camera because it's just messy and everything. I don't know where I'm gonna put my ketchup. Huh. Like, damn, I need to go get a plate. Okay, I'll be right back, guys. I need to get a plate. Gotta get my plate. Shake this up. I want to try some of these fries, and I'll try them on camera. There's probably fries in the bag, to be honest. Okay. Let's open this. So here are the fries that aren't lying in the bag. Okay. McDonald's fry. Let me pick up the plate. Fries and ketchup. They just go so good together, you know? Trying another bite of this chicken tender. Very fucking messy. My hair almost got in it. Okay. I'm gonna give my review so I can eat off screen. Oh, I got some on the nose too. I think we got it. It's very fucking good. I didn't think chicken was gonna be this good from McDonald's, but I love it. So that's kind of my review. If you like McDonald's chicken tenders, try those. They're not that spicy. They might be different for some people, but just give them a chance. If you're not sure about it, just order the 4-piece like I did. They actually gave me 5 pieces, but whatever. It's all good. Yeah, they're very good. So yeah, if you haven't, just go ahead and try them because I like them. And also get the Sprite Tropic Berry because it's actually a pretty good drink. So yeah, with that being said, I'll see you guys all next time. Bye.